But those who are extreme fortune living entities, they will take shelter with the feet of Guru. Guru means spiritual master. Then spiritual master lead to him how to step by step and attain his perfection goal. And how we free from their conditioned soul, free from all kinds of unwanted things, unearthly breath. So yesterday I also told many tattva, siddhanta, philosophy, and many katha, many slokas I recited. Moksha. Because yesterday was Mokshada Ekadashi Tithi. Moksha means liberation. Da means to give donation. And if you observe this Ekadashi, then easy to get the liberation mukti. But yesterday I told those who are the pure devotee of Lord, they don't want liberation mukti. Yeah? Understand? But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained the 5 types of liberation mukti: Salukya, Sasti, Samikpa, Sarupa, and Sajujya mukti. And one is with the potency of Lord. That is called Sajujya mukti. Those who are enemies, demons, killed by Lord Vishnu, they attain in that place Mukti Dham. So those who are super person, how possible they would ask to Lord, oh Lord, give me this type of mukti? No one. Even Krishna says in Chaitanya Charitamrita, I don't want to give the liberation mukti to my devotee. Krishna kahe ama bhaje magi visay sukh আমি বিজ্ঞই মূর্খে বিষয় কেন দিব সচনামৃত দিয়াতারে বিষয় ভুলাইব. Krishna is very merciful, wonderful, and so much compassion for the living entities. Krishna said, sometimes devotees they worship to me, perform heart austerity. Then they ask to Lord, oh Lord, give me material sensible reasons. Krishna says in this verse, Krishna kahi ama bhaji mage visay sukh. Krishna kahi ama bhaji mage visay sukh. Ami biggoy murkhe visay kena dibo. Krishna says, I am intelligent person. Why will I give to him this unwanted thing? And visay sukh why will give? So Krishna will give highest pain of Braj. Especially Srimad Bhagavatam, Krishna delivered Putana Moksha Lila. Krishna delivered Putana from her Asura Sarir, demon body. But she attained Golok and the maid servant of Mother Yashoda, that is called Dhatro Chitovati. And Putana, she did not bhajan sadhan, nothing. Putana, she did not utter the name of Lord. But Putana, she got all the information and how to attain Krishna. And here Krishna also explained in this way. In Vaikuntha Dham, there are 4 kinds of liberation, yesterday I told. Salukya, Sasti, Samikpa, Sajujya, not Sajujya. Salukya, Sasti, Samikpa, and Saru. Sasti means same affluence of Lord. If you go Vaikuntha Dham, then you will get same affluence, Aishwarya of Lord. That's called Sasti. Sarupa, you will get the same form of Lord. Sarupa. And Shankar Chakra Gadha Padmadhari Vishnu also will get these types of form. So Salokha Sashti. Or Salokha means same loka, same planet, universe. And you can stay with Lord. And or Sajujo oneness with the potential of Lord. No one can ask it. So Bhakti Krishna says, those who are the pure devotee of Krishna, me. And even I will give these 4 types of mukti in Vaikuntha, they don't want. Devan, Devanam, Adrinti, Matsevanam, Jana. Those are pure devotee of Lord. They want to me. Hey Krishna, give me sarvisam, service unto lotus feet. आपके चरण कमल की सेवा मुझे प्रदान करो. Oh my Lord, please give me to service how to worship your lotus feet. So that means those are pure devotee of Lord. They don't want oneness with the potency of Lord. They don't want. And Vaikuntha also, again, 2 types of mukti. Sukha Vaishcharya. Sukha Vaishcharya. Another is called Prema Seva Uttara. Sukha Vaishcharya Uttara, Prema Seva Uttara. Sukha Vaishcharya Uttara is very dangerous, no one can take. But Prema Seva Uttara, that means they serve to Lord with their love and affection. In Vaikuntha. But those are pure devotees. What they want? Oh my Lord, give me service, the Lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. We are doing pranam. Syama Sundara Sikhanda Sekhara Smiraha Samurali Manohara Radhika Rasikaman Kripa Nidhi. Hey Sam Sundar, hey Krishna, please listen our prayers. Syama Sundara Sikhanda Sekhara Smirahasana. Always you are smiling. And Krishna always smiling. Syama Sundara Sikhanda Sekhara Smirahasana. Radhika Rasikaman, his Krishna. And give me one blessing, benediction. How to serve the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika with this Rasino Parichajayam and Radha Dasam. And we want to serve Srimati Radhika and in service Radha Dasam. Gaudiya Vaishnava means is they want to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika, Radha Dasam. They don't want Sakharosh, Vatsalarash. They want which Rosh? Madhurya Rosh, conjugal. In this Madhurya Rosh, one is called Samandatmika, another is called Kamatmika. They want to serve the Srimati Radhika with their transcendental paramount mood. Transcendental paramount. Aprakita and Parakya. In this material world, Parakya, that is called sinful activities. But transcendental world, Parakya Ras, Parakya Bhav. Parakya, understand? That is called paramount. It is the highest mood. So in this way, we serve to Krishna under guidance of Srimati Radhika. How? In their Paraka. Jai Jo Jalorasa Sarvaraso Sar Parakiya Bhavijata Prajite Prachar. In the Bengali some very clearly. And all glory is to Krishna. Jai Jo Jalorasa Sarvarasa. And Krishna's topmost Leela That is called rasa. Rasa means rasate asadati rasa. Always releasing sweet mellows. That's called rasa. Nitya Geetam Ananda Chumbanam iti rasa also. Jiva Goswami Pad very nicely and clarified what is the meaning of rasa. Nitya Geetam, dancing and singing. And especially Kali Yuga, Mahaprabhu, what did he say? Mahaprabhu told, they will chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested that he called Sankirtan Rasa dance. Rasa dance. Krishna performed Rasa dance in Vrindavan with the gopis. That is called Gopi Rasa dance. Or Rasa dance?
Gopi Rasa dance.
Gopi Rasa dance. Krishna is alone and he performed dancing, swinging with the gopis. That is called Gopi Rasa dance. A same Krishna appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachinandan Gaurari. And Krishna, same Krishna, he appeared in this Kali Yuga in the divine ocean of Om Bhav Mother Sachidevi. Sachisandhu Garbha Harindu. Sachisandhu Garbha Harindu. Krishna appeared and in the form of Gaurasundar. Just some special reason, Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's complexion and her mood. Understand? Radhika's bhav kanti churi kori Krishna avatirna hoila Gaura Rupa dhari. Chaitanya Charitamrita Chaitanya Bhagavad Simbhasana. Same Krishna, he appears in this Kali Yuga and in the film Kali Yuga. He took Srimati Radhika's fresh complexion and her mood. This thing. But Krishna is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is very merciful. He released some mood of Srimati Radhika. And some sprinkle of the mood he distributed to everybody. Anarpita charing chira, karuna avatirna karo, samarpayatu unnutu ujjala sarvati siram. Hari purna sundara dudi kadamba sandirpita, sada hidaya kandare surati vasachinanda. Prabhu Goswami Pad, he composed this verse in his Grantha Vidagdha Madhav Natakam. How Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called embodiment of magnificent and magnanimous. In this Kali Yuga, he did not discriminate who is qualified or who is unqualified. Jalidake talidan prem dilaya. Whatever is looking, who is coming in front of him, and he is giving Krishna praise, and pranam sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nam Sankirtan. And he chanted Nam Sankirtan, dancing, singing with his parikaras. Nam Sankirtan dance. Mahaprabhu's dance name is called Nama Sankirtan Rasa dance. He used the same word, Rasa dance. But Nama Sankirtan, Rasa dance. Krishna, he performed Rasa dance with the gopis. Krishna is one male person. 1,000 female gopis, they arrived in Bansi Ghat on the bank of Jamuna. And Krishna played the flute, and all the gopis, they came out from their house. Bhagavad explained this. Nisamma Geetam Tadananga Vardhanam Brijastriyu Ajognu Uttama Alakchitu. Jatra Kamala Kundala. That means here, when Krishna played the flute, to all the gopis, they came out from their house. And all the gopis, they are thinking, Krishna, he is only calling to me. So he says, Nisamma Gitam Tadananga Vardhanam Brajastriyu. All the young girls, young ladies in Vrindavan, all they also running. And all they are thinking, Krishna only calling and uttering my name. Understand? Srimati Radhika is thinking, Krishna is calling to me. Radhe Radhe Boli Murali Dakibe Modiyo Isari Namu. Radhe Radhe Boli Murali Dakibe Modiyo Isari Namu. Bhaktivinoda Thakur composed this verse. The flute of Krishna uttering name of Radhe Radhe Radhe. The flute of Govinda uttering the name of Lalita, Lalite, 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 Viseke, Viseke. Rupamanjari, Rupamanjari, Rupamanjari. Actually Krishna, he plays the flute, one person, Bija Mantra. Bija Mantra, understand? That seed of the mantra, Bija Mantra. You are chanting Gayatri Mantra, Gopal Mantra. But that is the seed of the mantra, Bija Mantra. Klim, Kalam Jago, Mam, Adisa, Manu, and Bija Mantra. Vrindavane Aprakito, Navina Madan, Kam Gayatri, Kam Vijay, Jahar Pasam. Chaitanya Chaitanya. Kam Gayatri and Kam Bija Mantra. Bija Mantra. And clean. And others, that is called Kam Gayatri Mantra. Did you receive or not? All Dikshit you got? So, and clean. But this sound is very powerful because that coming from the flute of Govinda. When Krishna plays the flute and sweet melody is coming. And everybody's heart completely intoxicated. And they cannot survive their life. Sometimes sing it. And Radha nache, Krishna nache, nache Gopikan. Man mera bani gai re sakhi, Pavan Vrindavan. You know this? It's very nice sweet song. Radha nache, Krishna nache, nache Gopikan. Man mera bani gai re sakhi, Pavan Vrindavan. Lalita nache, Vishaka nache, nache Sakhikan. Man mera bani gai re sakhi, Pavan Vrindavan. Ganga nache, Jamuna nache, nache Gopikan. Man mera bani gai re sakhi, Pavan Vrindavan. Pavan tere nam re sakhi, Pavan Vrindavan. Man mera bani gai re sakhi, Pavan Vrindavan. So now I'm coming in this Srimad Bhagavatam. Sukadeva Goswami Pad told Purikit Maharaj, this sloka, Nisamma Gitam Tvadaranga Vardhanam Prajastri. Ajugnu Uttama Alakshito. All the gopis, they are running. They did not see to each other. Their mind completely concentrated for Krishna. And they are not looking right side or left side. Only they are thinking, oh, Krishna is calling to me. So what they Radhe Radhe Boli Murali Daki Ve Madiyo Isari Namu. Bhaktivinoda Thakur sang this song. Chintamani Mai Radha Kunda Tata Tai Chintamani Mai Radha Kunda Tata. How nice, beautiful song. Prabala Vidruma Maya Turulata. How is beautiful Radha Kunda. Just I mention this. So now coming in this way, Krishna appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachinandana Gaurari. And he took Srimati Radhika's complexion and her mood. Radha Bhav Kanti Churi Kuri Krishna Avatirno Hilo Gaura Rupadhari. Krishna, he stole Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion and appeared in the form of Sachinandana Gaurari. So, why I am saying these things? Because Mokshada Ekadasi, Mukti Dinavan, who gives the liberation. What liberation will give? So yesterday I also explained there are many meanings of liberation. What is the first meaning of liberation? Could you remember?
Sasti.
Free from suffering.
Oh.
Free from the all kinds of material suffering. All your suffering. Attantik dukkha nivritti revai mukti. We are suffering three folds of Maya. Adhanti, Adidevi, Adibhuti. Many kinds of disease. Suffering or not in this body. And we also wandering in the cycle of same repeated birth and death. Anantaka, unlimited time. All you are wandering, same cycle of repeated birth and death. Tavad jananam, tavad maranam, tavad janani, jatari sanam. Again and again, give up this body, enter in the womb of mother, again coming out end of mother, womb of mother. This is going on this cycle. Tavat jananam, tavat maranam, tavat janani, jatari sayanam. Just changing our body. Now we are coming this human body. So for this regard we are saying we are human being, Manav. And when we give up this body, then again we enter another body. Cats, dogs, animals, birds body. In this way, all will suffer. And cycle, the same cycle of repeated birth and death. So now coming in this way, that is what this regard we say, Attanti dukkha nivritti mukti, how will free from all the bondage of and suffering, the three folds of life. As for the Attanti dukkha nivritti mukti. Another meaning, mukti means, what did he say? Vishnu Angri Labhavi Mukti. One who attains the lotus feet of Lord Vishnu in Vaikuntha. That is called also Mukti. Advaitavadis, they are Mukti. How to submerge in the effulgence of Lord. They are Mukti. And Advaitavadis, their conception, their vichara, are to merge in the effulgence of the Lord. But Vaishnava is saying this, Vaishnava is, Vishnu Angri Labhavi Mukti, are to attain the lotus feet of Lord and serve to Lord. That is Mukti. As Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, more clarifying, then more modifying the meaning of Mukti. Yesterday I told. What is that? Mukti Jannata Rupam Sasarupana Bhavastati Mukti. Giving up all kinds of activities of liberation. And one who practiced devotional service to Lord. And then he realized his own transcendental constitutional form, Siddha Chittya. And then with his transcendental constitutional form, Siddha Chittya, he directs heart to Krishna. That is called perfect mukti. And Gaudiya Vaishnava means this one. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadhuka Gunai Sarvanadi Suddha Chitte Karma Udaya. You have everything. Just to associate with pure devotee of Lord. Listen Hari Katha. Servicing Guru and Vaishnava. Then slowly all your anarthas, unwanted things, removed from your heart. Then you can see your own sarup. Sarup, understand? Transcendental form. And with your transcendental form, Chiddeha, then you can serve to Krishna. And according to Rasa also melons. That is called the perfect mukti. So saying, mukti janatha rupam sasarupena pravastiti mukti. So mokshara. If you, this Ekadasi name is called mokshara. And that means to live. Moksha means liberation. That means if you observe this Ekadasi, you will get the liberation. Mukti. But which mukti do you want? Which mukti do you want? Krishna said, even I will give the 4 kinds of liberation mukti, Saloko Sashti Samipada Saloko. But those who are my pure devotees, they don't want. Diyamana no grinnanti matsevanam jana. Those who are my pure devotees, they don't want these 4 types of Vaikuntha Mukti. Do you want to go? Want to go Vaikuntha Mukti? No. Do you want attain to Ram Loka, Ajodhya? No. Do you want to go Dwarakapuri? You want to go Mathura? No. What do you want? Oh, we want to Guru Vrindavan. And how to serve Srimati Krishna under guidance of Srimati Radhika. Understand? Radha Anugatta Krishna Seva. We serve Krishna with the Supreme Personality of God under guidance of Srimati Radhika. That is called Radha Dasam. Radha Dasam, how will become the medicine of Srimati Radhika. Asahi Dasam, or only one who will become the medicine of Srimati Radha Dasam. Those are pure devotees day and night, chanting holy names and remembering how to attain the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. And Srimati Radhika will give some service. We will have to serve, then again how to say, how to serve Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupamanjari. Sri Rupamanjari Karavarchita Pad Padma Gushtandana Bhujar Vitamastakaya Ha Mudadakana Gauri Padarvindam Sanvayani Sanakistava Kim Karisi Tadavjustava Vina Varadashvamevo Nannat Katapi Same Kila Devi Jaji Sakkayit Mama Rasastu Rasastu Dassayit Mama Rasastu Rasastu Saktam. Raghunath Das Goswami composed this verse in his Bilap Goswami. Padabjustava Vina Varadashvamevo Nannat Katapi Same Kila Devi Jaji Sakkayit Mama Rasastu Rasastu Saktam. Dassayit Mama Rasastu Rasastu. Very nice, beautiful verse. Once Srimati Radhika very pleased with Raghunath Das Goswami. So Raghunath, we perform hard staircase on the bank of Radha Kunda. Because Srimati Radha Kunda is not different from Srimati Radhika. The glories of Radha Kunda not different from Srimati Radhika. Radha Mahima Jana Kundir Mahima. And Vishnu Attanta Vallabha. So now coming this way, Srimati Radhika is very pleased Srimati Radhika, she told, "Hey Raghunath, I am very pleased with your heart austerities, bhajan sadhana." Hey. You ask any benediction, I will give you. Raghunath Das Goswami, this verse composed Bilal Pushpanjali. What slok? Padabjustav vina varadashrameva nannat kadapi same kilo devi jache sakhayit mama rasastu sak dasayit mama rasastu. Srimati Radhika, she told, "Hey Raghunath, I will give the highest position of my Sakhi Lalita Vishaka. You take this." Raghunath Das Goswami, what did he say? Here Srimati Radhika, I don't want this position. I want to become your maid servant. Radha Dasan. So, Padabjasto vina varadashramevo nannat kadapi samay kilo devi jaji. Sakhayatvam, Sakhipad, the position of Lalita Vishaka. I don't want this. Just to give the service unto Lotus feet, and I like your Sakhi. Who is Sakhi? That's called Manjari Bhava. I want to serve your Lotus feet under guidance of Rupa Manjari. Rupa Manjari, Angatta, Radha Govinda Seva. We serve divine couple Radha and Krishna under guidance of Rupa Manjari. Gauriya Vaishnava, Rupan Bhajan. Sri Rupa Manjari Pada. Sri Rupa Manjari Pada. Say more Sampada. Say more Bhajana Sadhana. Look, our Goswamis. So many granthas, so many prayers. So I'm saying, this is called the highest mukti, mokshada. Mukti. So now coming in this way. Mokshada Ekadashi. This. To bhajan and sadhana, chanting holy names. How to free from all kinds of anarthas, unwanted things. The essence of Bhagavad Gita, yesterday I told us. What the essence of Srimad Bhagavad Gita? Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam vraja aham tvam papeho mokshami mascha manamana bhavo madbhakta madhyaji mam namaskuru. Krishna said, you become my devotee. You completely absorb with me. Manamana bhavo madbhakta. You have to become my devotee. Mam namaskuru. Just to pay your obeisances. Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita says these things. But how will you absorb with Krishna? How? Now coming Bhagavatam, as like Vrindavan gopis, day and night absorbed with Krishna. When they're milking the cows, what they chanting? Govinda Damodar Madhaveti, Govinda Damodar Madhaveti, He Krishna He Yadava He Sanketi, Govinda Damodar Madhaveti, Jaduvane Abhanane Matana Pralipa, Prencha Chanardhu Rudito Chanamarjanadu, Gayanti Chainanurapta, Dhyavosrukantha, Dhanna Brajastriyu, Urukrama Chitta Jana. To learn this sloka, very special. How Brajavasis, Braj Gopis, 24 hours absorbed with Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha and Krishna Seva, when they're milking the cows, chanting Govinda Nam. Milking the cows. are chanting Krishna Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti. He Krishna, He Jadava, He Saketi Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti. This is the process. Krishna Nam Rup Gun Lila Chinta. Day and night, remember? Krishna's name, Gun Lila. Mahaprabhu taught to us this way also. Only chant, only names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And sometimes you serve Guru and Vishnu. Prabhu Kai Vaishnava Sevan, Nam Sankirtan. You have to chant holy names. This is true. But you have to serve Guru and Vishnu. And if you serve Guru and Vishnu, so much your Sukriti will come. Then automatically taste will come chanting holy names. If you have no Sukriti, then your taste will not come chanting holy names. Sukriti in the sense, spiritual pious activity. So how will get the Sukriti? Servicing Guru and Vishnu. Chanting holy names, servicing Guru and Vishnu, offering water, tulasi jal. Tan mandira marjana adisu, cleaning the temple of Lord, cooking for Lord, cooking for Guru and Vishnu. Actually in the beginning, all these things also create Sukriti. And when this Sukriti will mature and accumulated, then automatically spontaneous taste will come, ruchi, and chanting holy names. Taste will come, and faith to service Guru and Krishna. That is called Ruchi Mula Shraddha. What did he say? Ruchi Mula Shraddha. Ruchi means taste. Shraddha means faith to serve Guru and Krishna. When more and more Sukriti mature and accumulated, then automatically your taste will come, chanting will come. And so much happiness will come. Guru Premanand. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
Maharaj, I found out Quran is at 750.
Huh?
Quran is